Have you ever wondered how the electricity in your home is generated? How it travels from a distant power station right into your living room, powering your favorite gadgets and appliances? Well, it's a fascinating process, and it all starts with a type of electrical current known as alternating current, or simply AC. AC is a special kind of electrical current where the flow of electric charge periodically flips, switching direction at regular intervals. This happens about 50 or 60 times every second, depending on where in the world you are. And it's this alternating current that is most commonly used to power homes, businesses, and various industries across the globe. So, how do we get this AC power from a station, such as a power plant or generating station? Well, it's a multi-step process that starts with mechanical energy. This is usually produced by turbines that are driven by various sources, be it steam, water, wind, or other means. This mechanical energy is then used to spin a rotor inside a generator. This rotor is typically attached to coils of wire which are situated within a magnetic field. As the rotor spins, it induces an alternating current in these wire coils through a process known as electromagnetic induction. The magnetic field required for this process can either be created by permanent magnets or electromagnets that are powered by a separate direct current, or DC. As the rotor turns, the alternating current produced in the generator's coils reverses direction, resulting in a sine wave pattern of voltage output. But we're not done just yet. The generated AC voltage has to be either stepped up or down to the desired voltage level. This is done using transformers, and is a crucial step for the efficient transmission of electricity over long distances and for distribution to consumers at the right voltage levels. Once the voltage is regulated, the AC power is ready to be sent out. It's transmitted over high voltage power lines to substations, where it is then stepped down to lower voltages that are suitable for distribution to homes and businesses. And there you have it. That's how the power that lights up your homes and powers your devices is generated. From the conversion of mechanical energy into electrical energy, to the process of electromagnetic induction within a generator, it's a complex yet fascinating process that results in alternating current. This alternating current can then be efficiently transmitted and distributed for widespread use, powering our lives in more ways than one.